So I've been asked by everyone why this craze about motorcycling, right? It's quite simple, right? For me, motorcycling is getting out of the daily routine. For me, motorcycling is experiencing life to its fullest, right? And that does not mean going at 200 kilometers per hour, 300 kilometers per hour, going really, really fast and, no, no. So I have a sports bike here which can go really, really fast, but that's not what I want to do on this bike, right? For me, motorcycling is about the experience, is about the feel, is about exploring different places, is about creating memories. I've been riding for almost 25 years now, and all the vivid memories that I have of all the trips that I did back home in India, uh, here in Mauritius, everything, it belongs to all the rides that I had on my bike. I've been roaming around on my car as well, but you know, when I roam around in my car, it's more like roaming around or watching things from a television. You see everything; it's nice and beautiful, but the experience is different. You don't feel the same. And I've tried to explain this to many people. Some agree with me. My biker friends, they do agree with me, but the others, they just don't get it. Uh, so it's been a while since I posted anything on my Aniacs Tropical Adventure. I've been crazy about fishing. I'm still crazy about fishing. Um, but off late, the weather has not been so kind here in Mauritius. There have been a lot of anticyclones, cyclones, and other stuff, and work has been too hectic. I've been going for fishing, but I've not been uploading anything on the channel. So I intend to start that again, just to be a bit more frequent on my videos. But I'm going to post some more videos about exploring Mauritius as well, especially on my bike. So today we are here at Albion Lighthouse. As you can see at my background, it's an amazing place. Fun fact: there are a couple of Bollywood songs which were shot in this region. I'll have a video about this entire region, the landscape. It just looks amazing, right? Uh, Hopefully, we'll have a lot more videos on exploring Mauritius, I think. Yes. So that's all for me. Have a good day.